Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now? Install Davinci Resolve 18 or later and confirm Fairlight is available. This matters because transcription uses the timeline audio. Import your source into the media pool, then drag it to a new timeline with the correct frame rate so captions sync. Once the clip is on the timeline, open the Fairlight page and check clip attributes to confirm audio channels and sample rate. Make sure the clip is readable and not muted. This prepares the audio for accurate transcription. Once done with prep, open Fairlight's automatic speech-to-text or the transcription panel and choose the correct language model. This affects accuracy. Start the transcription process and watch the progress. After it finishes, review speaker separation and timestamps to ensure captions align. Make edits in the transcript pane. Fix punctuation, correct names, and split overly long lines for readability. If speech overlaps, manually adjust clip boundaries or create separate tracks. This improves both caption timing and readability for viewers. When editing is complete, generate a subtitle track from the clean transcript and use the inspector to style font, size, and on-screen position for legibility. Then export captions as SRT or VTT, or choose burn-in during deliver if you want hard-coded subtitles. Always run a quick review pass to verify timing across devices. If accuracy is low, try one key fix. Improve the audio, use noise reduction, normalize levels, or isolate the speaker track, then rerun transcription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.